What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the arch villain B from Brawl Stars. Let's begin by drawing a large oval in the center of our page for the inside edge of the mask. Starting from the very top in the middle, it's going to work our way out toward the left. Bring this down and then back in towards the middle. Now we're going to work our way up along the right side. Going out, rounding out the mask, and just pulling that back up towards the top. Now we're going to move to the inside and draw on the eyes, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left side, draw a short angle line going up and out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then from the outside of the eye, just going to draw a half oval, coming all the way around. I'm not going to go all the way, we're going to stop right about there. Do the same thing on the right, coming down and pulling that up. And I'll add a notch on the right side of the eye. And going up and in toward the center, going back out, and go straight up toward the top of the eye. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start on the left, curve up, and then down. Now we're going to move down and draw on the mouth. Starting underneath the left eye, curve the mouth coming down, and then up. And now we're going to add 3 freckles on either side. Starting on the left, start with a small dot, come down and add 2 more on either side. And I'll line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's move up above the eyes and draw an oval for the eyebrow. Starting on the outside, we're just going to angle this down and in, and then back out, going the opposite direction on top of the right eye. And then we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Now I'm going to draw that large curl in the center of the head. Starting from the very top, move over towards the left, come down and in. I'm just going to round this out and just pull that back up. Let's work our way along the outside, coming around, out, and then up. Now I'm going to surround the face with a large circle for the head. Starting all the way at the very top, it's going to go out toward the left, and down the side. I'm just going to pull this in just underneath the chin, right in the middle, and then we'll work our way up along the right side, going out, rounding out the head, and then pulling that back up towards the top. Let's add those covers on the side of the head. Starting from the left side of the circle, draw a half circle going out, and then pulling that back in. Let's line this up on the right, going out, down, and then in. Let's add those stripes going across the covers. Starting from the top, step out, just follow the same curve of the head, coming around towards the bottom, and leave a gap and draw that again. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to draw that face inside the helmet. Starting right in the middle, step up, let's add a curve, coming down and up to the top of the mouth, and then round out the side, coming around and then in. Connect the inside with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's separate out the teeth. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, angle down and out toward the left and right. Let's move up and draw the bottom edge of the brow. Leaving a gap in the center, start on the left side, curve the brow coming down and then up. Line this up on the right, coming down and then up. I'm just going to flatten this off, going up and then bending that out. Let's draw the top edge of the brow. Starting from the outside, curve up. I'm just going to bend that down. And now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Starting from the outside, we're going to step in, draw a half circle, coming all the way down towards the bottom of the eye. Just pull that up on the inside. Now I'm going to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside of the eye. So let's start from the top, come down and in on either side, and then we'll fill the pupils in black. And then we'll draw the outside of the iris. We're going to step out from the pupil, go out and down with a short line, and we'll add a notch. Just a small half circle, coming in and then out. Continue the curve coming down and in toward the bottom of the eye. Let's add that stripe in the center of the head. Starting from the bottom of the left eye, start with a straight line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. Now we go up to the bottom of the brow, curve up, and then bend that out. Now we're going to place the antennas on top of the head. Starting over on the left side, let's start with a circle. Going all the way around, and then back up. Let's line this up on the right, drawing that same size circle. And then from the inside of the circle, curve in and then down on top of the head. And then we'll thicken this up. Stepping down, draw that same curve. And then we'll fill the inside of the antennas in black. Now we're going to move down and draw the arms coming in towards the center of the body, holding the honey stick over on the left side. Starting underneath the head on the left, draw an oval, going all the way around, and then back up toward the top. And then we'll add the edge of the honey along the top. Starting on the left, come down and then up. Draw a shorter curve, come down a little bit lower, and back up on the inside. And then we'll add some lines going across. Starting from the left, go all the way across towards the right, step down, and draw that again. Let's wrap the left hand around the honey stick. Starting from the inside, curve the first finger, coming in and then out, come down to the bottom, in and back out. And then the bottom finger will come down toward the bottom of the hand, round up the outside, and then pull that in on the left side of the honey stick. Let's add a thick cuff around the outside of the hand. Starting from the top, go up, come down, and then pull that up underneath the hand. Let's line up the top of the hand over on the right side. We're going to start with a bracket, coming down and then up, and then we'll add in the fingers. Starting from the center of that curve, go up, down, and then out, step down, go out and in, come down, and around toward the bottom of the hand. Now I'm going to work our way up toward the top of the thumb. Going out toward the side of the hand, pull this up, and then back down in behind that bracket. And we'll add that same cuff over on the right side. Going up, around the side, and then up underneath. Now we're going to add 3 short lines on the back of the hand. Starting from the top, draw one line, one in the middle, and one on the bottom. Now we're going to go back up underneath the head and draw the outside of the arm. Let's start on the left side, curve the arm going out, down, and then in towards the bottom edge of the cuff. Let's line this up on the right. Going out, down, and then pull that in. And then in between the center finger, draw a straight line going across. Let's move up and draw on the collar. Starting on the left, draw a half circle, coming down and then up. Let's add that strap on the right side. Start from the side of the collar, go straight down toward the hand, step out, and draw that twice. And we'll go back and draw the bottom of the stick underneath the hand, starting with a small circle. And then from the top, draw 2 straight lines going up underneath the hand. Now the strap on the right is going to come down underneath the hand. So let's start down here, draw on a circle, and then from the side, draw a straight line going up underneath the hand. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw on the wings. Let's start from the side of the arm, draw a half circle, going out, and then pulling that back in. So line this up on the right, going out, and then in. Now we'll continue to work our way down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's start in the middle with a curve, from left to right, going up and then down. And then from the center, angle down and out toward the left and right side. Let's round out the bottom of the shorts. Starting on the left, go out, and then bend that up. And then from the side, angle up and in underneath the hands. Let's go to the inside corner of the shorts, step out, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the heel on both sides. And then from the heel, we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start on the left. Curve the foot coming down, and then up. And then we'll round out the top of the foot, starting from the outside, curve this up. Just going to bend this down on the inside. Now I'm going to go back to the outside of the shorts, step in, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. And then from the top of the foot, we're going to step up and add a curve, going down and up on both sides. And leave a gap and draw that twice. Now we're going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And that's pretty much it. There's the arch villain B from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and check out our Brawl Stars playlist. We're adding new characters every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.